Secrets Royal Beach. Look at this pool. Amazing.
With the bread.
So this was all preferred, what we've seen so far of Secrets Royal Beach. So this restaurant is preferred for lunch and breakfast, and for dinner it can be booked by anyone.
Right, exactly. That's a really cute sign.
Also, if you are preferred in secrets, because if you are a secret client, you can come to Now Larimar and send it to her. If you are
We are now heading to lunch. Look at this view.
the thematic restaurant, as you know, works. They like ocho Rios.
It smells really good.
This one is Japanese. We have, as you know, we don't need to make reservation, but we have two teppanyaki tables here that you need to make reservation in advance. For the regular table, no.
Here, look at all those.
One for adults and one for families. And this one is the last one, is seafood.
Thank you.
Thank you. The woman is more different because they can use sandals. No, just long hair. Long pants, but you gotta leave your muscle shirt.
Yeah, it sure did. Because you're not thinking about that.
Look at all the wines back here. Wow. It's so cool.
Oh, great. Now I'm in your video.
Oh no, you're okay. So we are going to go to lunch at this place, Portofino. It is Italian. I'm really excited. Everyone is getting really hungry, so we cannot wait to go eat. So we're gonna enter right in here, and this is kind of like over in the same section that some of the other restaurants we're in. They kind of share the same hub. And then here's the Italian restaurant. Oh, this is amazing. I'm in love with the decor of this one. Okay, so we have our outdoor table. Isn't this amazing? It's so nice.
Very nice.
Thanks, Steph.
We have such a nice table outside here for us, overlooking the pool. The beach is just there. So I got a whole array of stuff from the buffet. Everything looks so good. They were doing a made-to-order pasta station. Lots of good stuff.
Chocolate crumble.
Like, did you lay on the beach?
If anybody wanted to get it.
So here was the buffet that we just ate at. Little show of everything that they have here. Get some made-to-order pasta and burgers. Look at the size of this skillet. Oh my goodness. This is the Secrets lobby. We came in through the Now lobby. So this is the Now Gardens room section. So these rooms are a little bit farther from the beach. You can wait for a golf cart to take you down, and you'll have a garden view here.
Okay, this restaurant is doing breakfast, is the windows, that is the buffet at the restaurant, and during the night convert in the thematic restaurant, the Italian, that is it.
Secrets Cap Cana. Amazing. No.